Cold weather's here. Let's talk about how you can blow out your sprinkler system with the compressor you have at home. Step one, grab one of these from Home Depot. It's simply just a 1/4 inch thread and it hooks into the air compressor. This is where you're gonna hook into the sprinkler system. Now shut your water off to the sprinklers. Now attach your fitting into the backflow here. Screw it on nice and tight and connect to the air hose. Now take a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna turn this screw a 1/4 of a turn until it's parallel with the pipe. Now run through each zone of your sprinkler system. This is gonna run it like normal, but instead of water coming out, it's going to use all this compressed air to blow the water out of your lines. So you've run through every zone on your timer. Now it's time to protect your backflow. So you're going to remove these 2 screws, pop the wedge out, remove your center vessel, put both of these ball handles at a 45-degree angle, and tuck the vessel away in the garage for the winter. So you've definitely helped reduce the likelihood of your sprinklers freezing, but as you saw, you're definitely not getting all the water out of the lines with a small compressor. So check out part 2. We're gonna hook this big compressor up to the same system and show you all the water the small one didn't get out.